Today I'm going to show you how to deposit into Snuggle to start earning passive income on your crypto tokens. First, go to snuggle.fi and you will be taken to the homepage here. Next, go to the Earn page at the top and it will ask you to connect your wallet. I'm going to go ahead and click Connect Wallet and it will pull up your wallet selector. Select which wallet software you use. I am using MetaMask wallet and MetaMask has popped up on my screen and asked me to connect. I am going to click connect. Once you've connected your wallet, you will see what chain you're connected on. Snuggle currently works on Base Chain and Arbitrum network. Go ahead and select Base Chain for this example. And today I am going to try out one of the PancakeSwap pools that are staked pools that earn additional cake rewards. So I'm going to click PancakeSwap. And I love Bitcoin. It's one of the lower risk, lower volatile assets to provide liquidity for. So I'm going to select the USDC / Coinbase wrapped Bitcoin cbBTC pair. And it's their 0.01% fee tier pool on PancakeSwap, which earns cake rewards in addition to earning USDC and cbBTC liquidity fees. So you're going to earn 3 different tokens as passive income from this position: USDC, cbBTC, as well as cake rewards. Now I'm going to scroll down to the deposit type. Now, there are 2 ways to enter a position on Snuggle: a single-sided 1 token deposit or a 2-sided 2 token deposit. The easiest way to enter a position is a single-sided deposit. I would just put in the amount of the tokens here and Snuggle takes care of the rest. On a single-sided deposit, you will start slightly out of range. And in that case, you will wait for the price to move back into your range to start earning fees. This is one of the genius mechanisms of the Snuggle system. You don't pay any swap fees, price impact, slippage, MEV extraction. You have massively reduced and permanent loss this way. I know that's a lot of big words, but once you've been doing this for a while, you'll realize the massive amounts of savings and the increased capital efficiency of doing it this way. Now, if you do want to swap your tokens initially on Uniswap, and enter your position in range right away, do a 2-sided deposit. This will allow you to do a 50% deposit, a 50-50 ratio of your tokens. So in this case, I would go to Uniswap. I would swap half of my USDC. So in this case, I would swap $2,500 of USDC for cbBTC on Uniswap. And then I would put $2,500 of USDC in and $2,500 of Coinbase wrapped Bitcoin in. And I would start with the price right in the middle of my concentrated liquidity positions range, earning fees immediately. However, on that, if you do that on Uniswap, you will be paying a swap fee and you will be paying slippage costs and as well as having price impact on the pool, which, if I were to swap $5,000 or $2,500 from USDC to cbBTC, I might lose a couple dollars in that process right off the top. You don't have to do that if you do a single-sided deposit and let Snuggle do all the work for you, converting your tokens throughout the range while you're earning fees and rewards. So that's one of the genius mechanisms of Snuggle. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm just going to click the max button here. I'm going to put in about $5,000 into this pool. And then you come down to your strategy settings. We have presets set right now. You can do any strategy you want. You can do some crazy tight range strategies if you want. We have aggressive, moderate, and conservative presets based on some back testing data that we've run on different pools. They're all going to be different. Historical results don't always pan out into the future results. So what you see in the backtest simulator is what you would have seen if you had run these positions in the past. But in the future, it could be a wildly different outcome. Now, just to be conservative, I'm going to do a 15% wide range. I know it's selected aggressive here, but A 15% wide range on a Bitcoin pool is pretty conservative in my opinion. Uh, However, according to our backtest results on this pool, that performed incredibly well. You have much less impermanent loss with a wider range, and an 8-hour rebalance delay will also further reduce locking in impermanent loss on each rebalance. Now, what that means is during price spikes up or down, when let's say Bitcoin moves 20% in just a few hours, if you wait 8 hours, the price will probably come back a little bit before you rebalance. And in that case, you filter out the noise of those price spikes and you lock in less impermanent loss per rebalance. It's a really, really great thing. So I always recommend a rebalance delay. I like 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours. A lot of people have a 24-hour rule before they rebalance. And with Snuggle, you can just auto program that in and set it and forget it and let your strategy ride. So a really conservative kind of strategy on a Bitcoin pool would be like 15-20% wide range with an 8-hour or 24-hour delay or somewhere in there. And you can play with this to set up any strategy you can think of, and you can run your strategies side by side and figure out which ones work best for you. Everyone is different and everyone has a different risk tolerance. Some people love running super tight ranges to earn aggressive fees. And in that case, they can do that on Snuggle with much more capital efficiency, especially because we cover all the gas costs for rebalancing on our end. The users don't pay any gas for the auto rebalance. Plus, you're saving the swap fees, slippage, price impact, MEV extraction, and having massively reduced impermanent loss, making this the most capital efficient auto rebalancing tool in all of DeFi. All right, with that being said, I'm going to go with a 15% wide range, which I think is pretty darn conservative with an 8-hour rebalance delay. Auto-Snuggle, always on. This is your auto rebalancing mechanism, the set it and forget it portion. And I always keep fee compounding on. And how the Snuggle fee compounding works is on each rebalance, 50% of the fees and rewards that you earned are compounded back into your principal in your position. And what this does is this offsets any impermanent loss that you might have locked in during rebalancing, as well as it allows you to grow and compound your position over time. And if you're familiar with compounding interest, that can have a very powerful effect on the growth of your capital. And then the other 50% of the fees and rewards go directly into your wallet automatically on every rebalance. So you wake up every day and you check your wallet and you're like, hey, I made some money. And day after day, those fees and rewards that you earn just stack up in your wallet. It's true passive income. This is a passive income machine that you can just set it and forget it and let Snuggle do all the work for you. So 15% wide range, 8-hour rebalance, auto Snuggle on, fee compounding on, and come down here, you can see a summary of your strategy. And I am going to go ahead and click approve. I'm going to wake up my ledger, my hardware device, a cold wallet. I highly recommend getting a cold wallet to protect your wallet and your crypto tokens. It is the safest way to do things. If you don't have one yet, the longer you are in DeFi, I highly recommend getting one as you get more experienced and know what you're doing. Just to be extra safe and secure and follow all security best practices for securing your crypto tokens. I went ahead and I approved the transaction. I've approved $5,000 of USDC. It says my transaction is complete on MetaMask wallet. I know you can't see that, but it just popped up. And then once you've approved your tokens, it will allow you to snuggle in. All right. Now, since I'm doing a single-sided deposit, you just kind of snuggle in. I'm going to go ahead and do that to deposit into Snuggle. MetaMask has popped up, asked me to confirm the request. I'm clicking confirm now. I'm going to type in my code and hit approve on my hardware wallet, and my transaction is complete. And you will notice down here at the bottom, it says position created, view positions. I'm going to go ahead and click view positions to see my new position in Snuggle. Now I have a couple positions in this wallet already. I have mini wallets with mini positions in Snuggle. In this wallet, I've got about $5,800, including my new $5,000 position in USDC slash Coinbase Wrap Bitcoin. It's actually already earning because the price, since I deposited a few seconds ago, already shifted into range. And once the price is in your range, you will be earning liquidity fees in the form of USDC and cbBTC, as well as additional cake rewards in this PancakeSwap pool. So this is a great passive income strategy. And I like to set it wide and let it ride, as they say, on more conservative assets like Bitcoin because there's less impermanent loss. It's less of an emotional roller coaster for me this way. Sure, a tighter range strategy with a shorter delay in the long run might earn me a higher earning rate and actually might outperform this position according to the back tests. However, I'm pretty conservative and I just want my money to grow nice and steadily. And I just want to wake up every day to an extra 20, 30, $40 in my wallet from this position. And the earnings rate is already going up. This will go up over time as this is in range longer, earning more fees. Based on the backtest results for this strategy specifically, over the last 365 days, even in a bear market, it would have done 100 to 200% APR, somewhere in there. So to me, 1 to 200% APR is not bad in the grand scheme of things, considering the stock market, like the S&P 500, does about 10% returns on average year after year. So if I can do 10x that in something like Bitcoin and USDC, I will take that all day, every day. And with compounding and using the fees and the rewards that I earn to create new positions to earn even more, you can really see the compounding effect of creating your own passive income portfolio using the magic of DeFi and especially the magic of the Snuggle rebalancing technology. Go read the docs to learn more about how it all works and how it saves you so much money in the long run and allows you to do concentrated liquidity management automation that you can't do anywhere else because it's really not viable because of all the extra costs and fees that you incur on other protocols. But it's so capital efficient here that you can do some really amazing things. I will break that all down in further videos and I will give you updates on how this position is doing. I've got other positions out here doing amazing numbers, 234% APR on Wrapped ETH, USDC on Uniswap. I've got another position here in this wallet, USDC slash Coinbase Wrap Bitcoin on Uniswap, doing 251%. And these are little tighter range strategies. And I'm creating this bigger position with a wider range just so I can just set it and forget it and collect those fees and rewards every single day to my wallet. Stay tuned for the next video. I will be teaching you more about how to use Snuggle.